Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection. And today, I'm playing with this Jeep. It's a Midgetoy, made in the USA. And this one is a gift from James Conway, from Indiana. Jimmy, thank you very much. And I think I had some of them in the past when I was a kid. Uh, I remember cars where it was just the body and the wheels, but at the time, I guess I didn't know there were Mitch toys. So this is gonna be the first one, and it's got a lot of paint, and I don't know what paint is it, but it's even got some bubbles in it. It looks like lava, like somebody's chucked it into a volcano or something. And there's paint on the wheels, so it looks like a simple job. We'll see. And the wheels are just popping off. I don't want to use the pliers on them prongs and create more stress on the metal. Also need to clean the axles and the tires. And I don't know what paint was that, but it's kind of mixed with the stripper, and now it's like I'm painting the car with chewing gum. Not only that, there was another car and I used the same brush, and it got infected with the chewing gum disease. So I'm gonna have to rinse that, put some more paint stripper, and start again. It's left a lot of residue, so I'm gonna have to do a good clean on it. And now I'm just gonna get rid of all the casting marks, do a good sanding, and leave it ready for painting. Now I'm just gonna refurbish the wheels and the axles, got rid of the paint. I'm gonna wash the wheels now, then I'll be polishing the axles, and then I'll be polishing the wheels. Shoe polish for shiny shoes. clean and shiny compared with the other one. And also my finger is shiny. And this is the paint that I'm gonna use. It's a mix of Vallejo and Citadel. One of them is too dark, the other one is too orange. Uh, Mix it about 50-50 and it's a good match. I've put a few coats. There's some parts in the car, like the seats, that they're really difficult to reach with the airbrush. So I make sure that everything's covered in paint. Not like before, obviously. That's it. It's done. So hopefully the wheels will pop back in with no problem at all. There you go. My first Midgetoy. I really enjoyed it. Uh, it was an easy project. Thank God for that because I got 3 or 4 in the background and they taking me ages because there's a lot of fabrication. So this one was a bit of a break, if you know what I mean. No problems, just the way I like it. Apart from the chewing gum disease. And it's time for me to go. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with something else. Have a good day.